All right, let's answer these questions using the given compounds. What is a functional isomer? All right, these are compounds that have the same molecular formula but different functional groups, meaning that these are molecules that have the same molecular formula but belonging to different homologous series. Right, let's check compound G. Compound G is a carboxylic acid. That's a carboxylic acid. Okay, and then compound B is an ester. Compound B is an ester. So they belong to different homologous series. But are their molecular formula the same? Yes, they are. Because how many carbons do we have? For compound B, we have how many carbons? 1. And then here we have 3 of them because it's times 3 here. So it's going to be 1, 4, and then 5, 6. And then this side, for compound G, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. 6 carbons. Let's check hydrogens. We have 3 here and then 6 here. From 2 times 3, there's 6. So it's 3 plus 6, which is 9. And then 12. I'm counting the hydrogens. So it's 12. And then this side, we have 3, 6, 8, 11, then 12. So we have 12 hydrogens also. And then 2 oxygens there. And then 2 oxygens there. So they have the same molecular formula, but they have different functional groups, or they belong to different homologous series. So the functional isomer of G is B. And then which ones are the chain isomers of each other? What are chain isomers? These are molecules that have the same molecular formula but different types of chains, meaning that they have different structural formula, isn't it? But they belong to the same homologous series. They belong to the same homologous series. So let's check for those. All right, we said G is in the carboxylic acid. Even D is a carboxylic acid, right? This is a ketone. This is a ketone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, they're different, right? And then should be D and G, which are carboxylic acids, right? This is an alkane, heptanoic acid. Okay, 7 carbons here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should be D and G. They have the same molecular formula. It's only that they have different what? They have different types of chains. They have different structural formulae. Should be D and G.